19th of June 2021. It was very difficult because this was full of people.
Yeah.
This staircase was a lot of rush now. And here's it's Pajalahdentie, Pajalahdentie 7, or Bruksviksvägen in Swedish. It's the only staircase in the residential building. It has 6 floors and it was built in 1954, turned 65 years old in 2019. The serial number is H5818 and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. This one should be in Swedish and Finnish because I heard several Swedish speaking people living here.
Yeah.
They should have done it here. But I have seen before with Swedish and Finnish.
Yeah.
I've seen it in Punavuori actually.
Yeah.
That's 1954 without the doors.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another amazing elevator.
Yeah.
I love the smell here.
Same here.
I can press on the second right?
Yeah.
Let's do a silent one. Also, I love these glass surfaces.
Inspected by Kiva and maintained by Kone.
And now silent ride. Hear the relays here.
Yeah.
And I love them too. Back to the ground floor. Go. That's it. And thank you very much for watching.